In this video, I am going to do a simple analysis of its cleaning time. The overall structure of the website seems good. It is eye captivating. Even if someone visit this website, they will surely buy the services. But here, the owner done good job with the URL. And if we see here the H1 heading, cleaning services in Austin, it is good. But if we see the overall structure, there are is no services section here. There must be a services section. Only three services are here. And if I just click here, you can see the URL here. There's residential, all pointing me towards the same URL. Here, commercial. It should be not like that. For deep cleaning Austin, there must be a separate URL. Let's click on this URL, and if you see, the URL is overall good. The owner targeted the keyword residential cleaning services Austin, but here you can see only H1 has residential cleaning, but no Austin word is used here. So here they have given the services, but if I click on this, it is not pointing me to any services page. It should be link me to the services pages as they are important. The overall page does not have enough word count. So let's check what services areas they are giving. So if we see, they are almost giving 25 to 30 service areas, but if you see, they don't have enough pages. Here they have integrated map, but in image form. It should be an integration of Google Map at the bottom of the footer. If I will show you their site map has almost 100 plus blog posts. So 115 URLs are present in blog post, and if we check this URL organized before you clean, the URL, the blog post does not serve any function. Nobody is searching for this service. And if we look at the H1 heading that is hidden here, if we go to inspect and find H1 heading here, so it is causing some trouble here. So I have a sheet where I have already analyzed their pages, what they have done. If we click on cleaning time pages, I'm really sorry, the laptop is causing some trouble. A lot of overload it has. So if we check out their pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 pages are their main pages. All other are join our team are just additional pages that are not needed well. The important pages, if we look at them, the main problems they right now they have duplicate H1s. Or core page, for example, if we look at that page, there are two H1 headings are there. H1 heading must be one. Some pages have a title length more than 60 characters, that is must be lower than 60 characters. Meta description, some have a low characters and some have high, very high. No Google Analytics code found. Google Analytics code is extremely important if in order to know from where the traffic is coming, so we can build our strategy accordingly. Some pages have duplicate titles, like this page, commercial and residential, they both have different URL, but they have a same title. That is actually causing some problems for in ranking. Images are not optimized. Some images are very large in size. If the images would be larger in size, the page will load slow. Interlinking is very important in order to transfer link choose. So there is no interlinking I found on the website. Duplicate meta description of two pages, residential and commercial pages. At least they have only two services pages, and both have a same meta description. 16 images on the site have a don't alt text. URL has a uppercase join our team. This URL. 12 pages have no sequence, no page 2. There should be proper sequence like H1, then H2, then H3. No outbound links, no map integration on the site, no address in the footer. Address in the footer matters a lot. You have to show Google that NAP consistency matters a lot. So even if you are submitting your website in different directories, these three things should be present on those directories and should be exactly the same. You are missing it in your own site. Only 49 pages are indexed. As I already shown that more than we have 100 plus blog posts, and those blog posts are just not very good, and even they are not indexed. Like here, if we search on this on the feed, we can see only 49 pages are present here. So if we click on a deep cleaning, uh, the overall blog post can be good if there should be a proper URL, like there should be regular cleaning versus deep cleaning, and it should be a blog post with the details. But here the word count is low, and even you have to give the checklist, then you should be it should be a downloadable checklist that what you do. Here you have given all the services, and if we see that you have 26 to 30 locations where you are targeting, then each service area must have associated service with it. Like if I show you the example of Molly Maid, they have Burbank, the one location, and Austin, the other location. Then you can see move out cleaning, same service but different location, same service but different location. You have to create pages like this. So this is the biggest problem here. And if we check this website, they have a sticky header. Even if the customer is doing scrolling down, if someone clicks here, they must know from where to just book the services. And here you can see they have a proper services section, and if I click on this, I will move to a specific page that is giving a move out cleaning services. They have a common page. So if we uh, check what we have missed right now. So initially we must have to create pages, and blog posts must be created after that. But first we have to complete the pages. So initially we have to target pages that have almost low difficulty. Like this, you are giving services in Kyle, Texas. So once you see carpet cleaning, one page, and the second page would be house cleaning, Kale, Texas, and then duct cleaning. Whatever service you are giving, you have to create pages for those. The proper keyword research and strategy must be needed in order to work on it. So if we look at the backlinks are not worthy. They are directory backlinks mostly, and they mostly do not have are not no follow. The if we look at the anchor text, the anchor text is actually very bad. Only the good anchor text is here house cleaners, and these its cleaning time is good, is navigational, but it should be not in this 32 times it appears. It should be not like that. So you can have anchor text like best deep cleaner in Austin. These type of anchor text should be there. Backlinks I already told that they are not worth the amount, worth the quality. So if we look at the GMB, how it is appearing on the Google. So the main problem right now is that you are present here, Round Rock, and we are targeting Austin. So the address is the difference is huge. But initially we must target this area, Round Rock, and then we will go for Austin. For example, here you can see the address on your Google map is Round Rock, but when I click on the website is leading me to the page that is optimized for Austin. So it should be here Round Rock. If you're targeting Austin in the Google map, then it is okay. But I would recommend go for Round Rock, and then they have or we must have a alternative page for Austin, because the main problem would be NAP, because the address here is like this, and if we check on the website it is different, and in the directories it would be different. So it is actually a mismatch, and gives negative signal to the Google. So if we check out the category, we have like one main category, but you have only given two categories. Google has given us more space for adding different categories, like your other competitor has done some this like this. You should add these categories too. Overall, if we check out the reviews, there is no keywords are added in answers. It is a simple answer. They are not well optimized. If you check out your post or screen time post, they are not that good. And actually, there must be 4 to 5 posts each month, and must have keywords according to the location. You must have to add a geotagged images. The images are just simply added. So if we look at the page, there is H1 heading is hidden, and if we go down below, the actual article looks seems like it is written by AI, but it is not serving any purpose. The article is very short, and nobody is searching for these kind of blogs. We are wasting Google Crawl's budget. That's why our main pages are not indexed, and the low quality content is also leading to uh, bad impression for the in the Google. Our pages are not getting indexed. Here there must be a Google Map integration here, and also the location should be here. There is if we name here, uh, number here, but the no address here. It should be here to for the nap consistency. There are almost 150 other impactful areas that played a role in ranking on Google. It would may take time to rank, but once you rank, you will get a lot of traffic. The actual keyword, for example, move in cleaning Austin has a $10 CPC. If someone click on the ad, they would have to pay $10. Your $10 will be burned. So if one of your competitor is actually getting 7,000 traffic from Google, and if they're getting 7,000, only if we assume 30 to if we assume for 1,030 people are converting, then you can guess how much they are making from them. So here you can see 10.85 USD uh, cost per click if someone clicks on ad. For different keywords, the CPC is different, but mainly the CPC is high because the is actually a competitive market. If we look at the competitors, for example, Sparkly Made Austin, they have almost 7.2K traffic monthly, and we can easily beat them as they have done not a good job in creating backlinks. If we created these pages and then created backlinks and some blog posts, we will easily beat them. They have almost more pages. They covered every service and every area they are serving. And their second competitor is Molimir, that is has a 2.3k traffic for only Austin area, but they are covering whole, almost whole US. So they are not our main competitor. Our main competitor is Parkley Mid Austin, and if we work better on the rankings, we will easily beat everyone. So proper strategy is needed. Proper time should be given for the SEO. Both of your site will and Google Map will rank. So here are your main pages. I already told you, and the description is very not very good. It must have some other valuable keywords in it. Some has double H1s. That is a big trouble. So I already mentioned some of these problems. If you work on these, you will surely improve the overall ranking of your website. Thank you.